Welcome to your Load InfoSec briefing. Today we've got a critical unpatched backup tool flaw, a Git service 0-day already exploited in the wild, and a staggering new record for cybercrime losses, plus a malicious NPM package that accidentally snitched on its own creator. Our top story, a critical, unauthenticated remote code execution flaw in Kopia Backup, tracked as CVE 2026-45695 with a CVSS score of 9.8. Researchers found that the API-v1y repo exists endpoint forwards SFTP settings directly to the SSH binary, allowing an attacker to inject a proxy command and execute arbitrary code without any authentication. This affects Kopia versions up to 0.22.3 when the server is exposed on a network interface without password protection. The fix is in version 0.23.0, or you can restrict the server to localhost. Do that now if you're using Kopia. Next up, a 0-day in the self-hosted Git service Gogs, uncovered by Wiz Research. CVE 2025-81.10 lets authenticated users exploit a symlink bypass to write arbitrary files outside a repository, leading to remote code execution. Over 700 publicly exposed Gogs instances were found already compromised before a fix landed in version 0.13.4. If you're running Gogs, update immediately. Meanwhile, Talos is making a strong case for ditching CVSS as your sole patch prioritization metric. They argue CVSS measures severity, not real-world exploitation risk, and recommend combining it with EPSS, which predicts the likelihood a CVE will be exploited, plus GCVE for faster global vulnerability enrichment. The takeaway: focus your patching energy on threats that actually matter, not just the highest score. Also today, the FBI's 2025 Internet Crime Report is out, and the numbers are staggering. Over 1 million complaints and a record $20.9 billion in reported losses, a 26% jump from 2024. The report highlights a surge in cryptocurrency fraud and AI-driven scams, underscoring just how sophisticated and costly online threats have become. And finally, a malicious NPM package named Mouse5212 Superformatter was caught stealing files from Anthropic Claude's AI data directory. Researchers at OX Security found it exfiltrated content from ashmnt user data to a threat actor's GitHub repo. But here's the twist. The package accidentally leaked the attacker's own private GitHub token, making takedown quick. It had over 600 downloads before removal. Check your projects if you use Claude integrations. And finally, GCHQ Director Anne Keast-Butler has warned that Russia is launching daily hybrid attacks against the UK and Europe, targeting everything from undersea cables to cyberspace. The agency is ramping up subsea cable defenses and disrupting Russian sanction evasion infrastructure, and the message to businesses and governments is clear: treat cybersecurity with tenfold urgency. That's your briefing for today. Stay sharp, patch smart, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for the next round of threats.